Today, I'm going to show you how to use one of the coolest reading websites out there, Epic. Some people have been using Epic, but some people I'm sure are not sure where to start. So in this video, you're going to feel really comfortable and really excited to get started. Here is the login information for Epic, and I'm going to go through it. In Google, you would write getepic.com/students. The class code and the PIN is right there. So in Google, I'm going to write getepic.com/students. Then it's going to ask to put in your class code. Our class code is LVE9928. Now I happen to already have that remembered in my computer, so I'm just going to click on Miss Jorgensen's class, the apple. Once you get to our class page, you're going to find your name and then enter the PIN. The PIN is 7834. When you get to Epic, you're going to see a lot of information. One thing you can do is you can go and see the levels of the different books. So those are all level I books, level J books, and if you see a book you're interested in, you just click on it, and it always gives a little description of what the book will be about right there so you can see if you're interested in it. Obviously, a good reader would not flip through the pages this quickly, but I'm just giving an example. At the end of the book, sometimes there's a quiz which you can click on and test your knowledge, just like in RazKids, see how well you understood the book. You can also just click Finish the book. When you go back to the home page, you can continue browsing for the next book you want to read. One cool thing Epic has is audiobooks, which has a lot of really popular books. With audiobooks, you just listen to the book, but it will not give you the actual words and illustrations and pages of the book. Another option is Read to Me books. Read to Me books is like RazKids listening, where the book is read out loud to you. Now you know your level, so you know that sometimes it's fun to listen to a book, but we don't get better as readers if we only listen to books and we never read them ourselves. Just like we can't eat junk food all the time, but sometimes it's okay. Most of the time we have to eat healthy food. So when you get to a Read to Me book, you click the green play, and you can see that as the reader is reading, the words show up a little bit bigger. Something that really great readers will do will first listen to the book and then read it themselves. As you get really into epics, you can start to build your own library and start favoriting your books. How you favorite your books, let's go into that bats again, is you are going to find a heart. When you find the heart, it's all the way in the upper left-hand corner, then it will now be in your favorite books, and you don't have to hunt and search for it anymore. It'll be right there. You can see Epic is an awesome free tool that you can use. It's almost like RazKids, but with a lot more popular books. So try it today.